Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by and check us out. If you are returning, thank you as well. We really do appreciate the fact that you came back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties family, go ahead and hit that button right below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. While you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notifications bell. That way, you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing the Allure beauty box. Okay, I am excited to find out what's inside. So let's just jump right in and check it out. And for those of you who are not familiar with the Allure beauty box, well, it is a monthly subscription service. That's $15 a month, I might add, plus taxes. And you get a chance to try all of the newest products that are hitting the market. You get to check out those that are curated with other well-named YouTubers as well as beauty brands. So let's check it out and see what's in the box. Now, of course, when we open it, it just has the hashtag Allure Beauty Box, and we have some pamphlets right here. And the first one that we're going to check out is our description pamphlet and little tips and tricks to go along. And this is called the refresher course. Okay, it says, want more tips and tricks and special offers? Make sure you subscribe to their email as well. All right, now we also have a summer glow guide. We also received a $20 gift card to Bobble Bar. Okay, and just look at some of the pieces that they offer. How about that? Okay, now Allure has changed the way they package our goodies. They come in full of colorful bags like this now. And I must admit, I have been loving them. I am a coupon fanatic, and this holds my coupons very, very well. In addition to my other brushes and things like that when I travel. So, we're going to jump right in. Now we're going to go ahead and open it up and see the Avene Eau Thermale. Okay, and this is thermal spring water. So, you know, when you're outside and you're getting a little parched, your skin's feeling a little dry. Give it a little spray mist, keep going, and it's a perfect size to fit in our purses. And it says, this hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. I take it everywhere because it's great for soothing hot, irritated skin, aka my face, all summer long. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $18.50, and it can be purchased at avenusa.com, and there is a coupon code in here to get 20% off whatever you purchase, and that is good through August 31st. Okay, so that's product number one. I apologize if you're hearing all this rumbling in the background. I can't control that. It's the weather. It is the weather, and we're having a serious thunderstorm right now. Okay, moving right along. The next one that we pulled out is Moroccan oil. Okay. And this says Moroccan oil treatment. My processed hair drinks up the silicone-based oil, and even if I accidentally put on too much, the effect is never greasy. Okay. I usually smooth out a nickel-sized blob, focusing on the ends of my hair. Okay, so this will hydrate dry, brittle ends. Okay, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price on a full size is $44. Well, unless I can get this online, I will not be purchasing this product because, according to this, the place to get it from is Sephora.com, and we already know the situation with Sephora. I do not shop there any longer, so I'll put a iCard up in the top so that you will know exactly why. All right, now moving right along, the next item that I pull out is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. That's this little tube right here. And the brochure says, where has all this slightly cooling, never irritating eye savior been all of my life? I love using it in the midday for touch-ups. I just squeeze about a drop of it and a few soft taps, even out late day crustiness. Okay, I'm just telling you what she said. Wipe away mascara smudges and generally make my eyes look happy and hydrated yet again. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $35, and this can be purchased at contextskin.com, and we do have a 25% off code. A lot of times it just sits on top. No, this is already absorbed very nicely into my skin. All right, and the next item that we have is Floss Lip Gloss. Well, let's check this out. Ooh. All right, and this one, that's a nice little tube there going on, and this one is a full size, and it says my new favorite lip gloss. I've been hoarding lip gloss like it's 1999, and Floss, my new favorite lip gloss, has lived up to the name. Here's how. The formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess. And the tube is squeezable. You get every drop. The manufacturer's suggested retail price on this one is $16 and can be purchased at flosscosmetics.com, and we do have a coupon code good through September for 15% off any floss product. Well, let's just see. Oh, nice. And it smells amazing. Yes. I am here for this one. This is one of those kind of things you just keep throwing in your pocketbook. The next item, it has the perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. I always focus more color on my arches than on the rest of my brows, which is a tried and true makeup artist trick. Now, the manufacturer's suggested retail price on this one is $23 and can be purchased at thebrowgal.com, And we do have a coupon for 10% off. Now, of course, it's two-sided. We have the spoolie on this side. See? Okay. And, of course, the pencil on the other side, right? However, no running around looking for a pencil sharpener. There's one right on the lid. How about, I'm sorry, I'm just popping my lips. But this gloss feels so good. It really feels good. Okay, nonetheless, back to the brow pencil. I'm sorry, I digress for a moment. I am loving this, and the shade that I received is medium brown 04. I can work with this. I could definitely work with this. This is one of those buildable kind of pencils. Let's see. Alrighty. So, our last product is the SGX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Alright. And this one is a gift. I do have one of these that is included in an active giveaway, so I can link that iCard up here as well. And if you would like to participate in that one, that would be amazing. And now, the final gift that I have inside is the CEO Glow. All right. Now, I know you've seen me show you this a few times. Let me tell you the reason why. I did tell you that you never get the same thing twice. Well, the reason that I've gotten this more than once is because my subscription service is done in 3-month increments. Okay. And because of that, at the end of my 3-month cycle, I go back in and I pay it again for 3 months, and it starts me over. So I'm constantly getting free gifts because they appreciate the fact that you are paying for 3 months at a time. So this that you've seen here, this plethora of items, these have all been included in this month's Allure Beauty Box. And well worth it, well worth it, well worth it. If I were to actually put it out there about a favorite product this month, I have more than one. I'm just telling you the truth. I definitely have more than one. I love the vitamin C. However, that's not the favorite. I definitely love Moroccan argan oil. That's not the favorite either. However, I'm feeling the pencil, but this lip gloss is popping. I'm just saying. It is popping. I am loving this. So, if you would like to try out the Allure Beauty Box, this is a great month. I really want to encourage you to hurry up and subscribe because our next box is curated in partnership with Huda. There are some full-size items in there curated just for this box by Huda herself. So, I do want to tell you I thank you so much for sitting here and checking us out again on today. And I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're considering trying it out, let me just let you know. If you go down into the description box below, your first box will be $10. Now, even if you are currently getting the Allure Beauty Box, but you're getting it from Amazon, I encourage you to consider switching because the boxes are not the same from month to month. So I cannot guarantee that if you have gone through Amazon to get your Allure Beauty Bag or Beauty Box service that you have the same products that I have, or even if you will get them next month. However, just go with the original. Use the link below, get you some free gifts. It's a 3-gift pack in there this month, and the value on that one is over $60. great gift for you to have. So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.